Good morning dear students. Today I am going to discuss with you topic social responsibility of business towards different interest groups. Yesterday I discussed the responsibility towards investors and employees. Today I will discuss social responsibility of business towards remaining interest groups. So let's start with the social responsibility of business towards consumers. So, yes, students, responsibility of a business towards consumers are first to supply good quality products at fair prices. Business should supply good quality products to the consumers at fair prices. To ensure regular supply of goods, goods should be supplied in the market regularly. There should not be hoarding of goods. Not to follow unfair trade practices. Unfair trade practices like adulteration, hoarding, black marketing, false advertisements, charging high price, such type of unfair practices should not be followed by business organizations. Next, to handle consumer grievances quickly. If any of the consumer is having any grievance means any complaint, that complaint should be solved quickly and carefully. To inform consumers about new products. If business organization has launched any new product, then customers should be informed about that. And if there is any improvement in the existing product, so that improvement innovation should also be informed to customers. So students, these are the responsibility of business organization towards consumers. Now I will discuss with you responsibility of business towards government. So first responsibility is to respect the laws of the government. If government has made any laws like don't open any company organization in the residential area, so such type of laws should be followed by business organizations. To pay taxes honestly, all the taxes should be paid honestly as well as regularly on time. To adopt fair dealings in foreign trade in order to maintain country's reputation. If a business organization is dealing in foreign trade, then he should do all his dealings in a fair way, because if they will involve in unfair dealings, it will affect country's image in a negative way. Next is to support government in solving various problems like poverty, illiteracy, overpopulation, etc. In our country, so many social problems are going on like poverty, illiteracy, and overpopulation. This is not only the responsibility of government, this is also the responsibility of business organizations. They should give their full support in solving these type of social problems. So students, these are the responsibility of business towards government. Now I will discuss responsibility towards community, means society. What are the responsibilities of a business organization towards our society? First is to generate more employment opportunities. Business organizations should generate more and more employment opportunities to ensure efficient use of scarce resources. Scarce resources like electricity, water, as well as wood. These type of scarce resources should be utilized properly as well as fully to help the weaker section of society. Business organization should work to help the weaker section of society such as widows, physically challenged people. To promote national integration, business organizations should work to promote national integration by promoting local products rather than selling products manufactured in other countries, rather than selling imported products. To preserve social and cultural values, business organizations should promote social and cultural values. They should not involve in any discrimination with any section of the society. They should promote our culture, our festivals, to protect the natural environment from all type of pollution. This is also the social responsibility of business organization to protect our natural environment from every type of pollution. So students, these are the responsibility of business organization towards our community. Now students, I am going to discuss with you responsibility of a business organization towards suppliers. Suppliers of goods, suppliers of raw material. So first is to ensure fair, regular and timely payment to suppliers. Suppliers provides raw material to business organization. So it is the duty of business to provide them fair payment, regular and timely payment. Second is to keep the suppliers informed about future plans. If business is having any future plan, like they want to grow the size of business, so that thing should be informed in advance to suppliers so that they can make arrangement of raw material for future requirements of business. Next is to protect and assist small scale suppliers by placing orders with them. Business organizations should give order for supply of raw material to small scale suppliers. This will be a helping hand to them. To adopt fair dealings with suppliers. Business should do fair dealings with the suppliers. They should not try to cheat the suppliers. To help the suppliers in improving the quality of their products. If suppliers are having lack of finance, so business organization should help them by financing so that they can improve the quality of their products. So students, these are the responsibility of business organization towards suppliers of goods, raw material, etc. So here your topic of social responsibility of business towards different interest groups is over. Now I am going to start next topic, that is case for social responsibility. Students, there are so many scholars who have given their arguments that social responsibility fulfillment is very much necessary for business organization. Such scholars are in the favor of social responsibility of business. So they have given some arguments in favor of social responsibility. I am discussing such arguments with you. So first is justification for existence and growth. It means that business organizations fulfillment of social responsibility is a justification for the existence and growth of the business. As you all know, business exists in the society, produces goods and services according to the needs of consumer and sell them at profit. So by selling goods at the profit in the society, business organizations are surviving in the society, and with the help of that profit only they can grow. So this is the responsibility of business organization, that they fulfill their social responsibility. They should provide good quality products at fair price to the consumers. So I want to say here that if a business want to survive as well as grow, they have to fulfill their social responsibility. Second is long term interest of the firm. Every business firm want to remain in the market for the long time. They want to survive for the long time. This will be possible only when they are involving in the fair dealings with different interest groups. If business is doing unfair dealings with the suppliers, customers, employees, government, they are involving in hoarding, adulteration, misleading advertisements, in such type of activities, if they cannot survive for the long time. So for the long term survival, they should be very much fair in all the dealings. Next is avoidance of government regulations. Business organizations should fulfill all the laws framed by the government. If business organization is violating the laws framed by the government, then government has to interfere in the activities of business and has to take any strict action against the activities of business organization. So if business organization want to avoid interference of government, they should fulfill the laws, rules, regulations framed by the government. Next is availability of resources with business. Business organizations are having a number of human as well as financial resources. So they should utilize their resources for removing social problems which are existing in our society, like poverty, unemployment. Such type of problems can be removed by utilizing some of the resources in social development. Next is better environment for doing business. Students, you all know there are so many social problems prevailing in our society, like unemployment, poverty, overpopulation, and such type of problems are creating a hurdle in the smooth functioning of business. If there is unemployment, poverty, people involved in illegal activities, they involved in violence. So by removing such type of problems, like by providing employment opportunities, by providing free education to the students, business organization can improve the society. And if there will be improvement in the society, there is no such type of problem, then it will help the business in running smoothly. If there is no poverty, no unemployment type of problems, there will not be violence in the society, and it will be very much helpful in the smooth running of the business. Next is holding business responsible for social problems. It is said that so many problems in the society are created because of the business activities. There is pollution in our society, and the most important cause of pollution in the society is the business organizations. So business is responsible for so many social problems in the society. So now it becomes the moral duty of business organization to provide a helping hand to solve such type of problems like pollution. So students, here I can justify that social responsibility fulfillment is very important for every business organization. Every business organization should fulfill their social responsibility towards different interest groups. There will be a number of benefits I discussed with you. So students, here if you have any problem, you can discuss with me. Thank you students.